Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to play Ballade for Adeline, written by Paul de Senneville. I will show you how to play it very slowly with your right hand, with the left hand, and then how to put it together. First I will show you how it sounds. Alright, let's start. The right hand starts like this. So G, C, D, played 4 times, and the left hand plays C. So we have the second time, the first time, and the fourth. Then we continue with C in the left hand, and we play Sol, which is G, E, G. So also 4 times. And then we play the chords, G and E 2 times with these fingers. Then we change for the fourth, and we play A and F also twice, and then we change to play it with the fourth finger, and then we repeat it 6 times, and we move to G and B. We repeat it 3 times, and then we change the finger for the fourth. Then we play C and A, and G and E. Let me repeat it in the right rhythm. Okay, let's add the left hand. The left hand goes like that: C, G, E, G, E, and the G is repeated 3 times. Then we move 1 note up, which is D, A, F, and A is also repeated 3 times. Then we move down to G, D, B, D, and we repeated B and D 3 times, and we have C, G, E, G, E, G, E, and we stop it together. Please remember this as a part called the main melody, number 1, I would say. That's number 1. And now we will play number 2, which is very similar. Only the first measure is different, because in the melody number 1 we had the right hand like that, and then, and in melody number 2 we have the same chords, and then we have this chord repeated 6 times, and the rest is the same. So let me show you very slowly this melody number 2 with this chord repeated many times, 6 times, and the rest is the same as before. We stop on this note E, and we continue with the other part, which is not, let's say, the main melody. We continue like that. With the right hand we have E, and the chords C and E, E again, the chord B and D, E, and the chord A and C. So we play like that. We move down to B, the chord G and C. It's B and the chord G and B, of course. Then we have F sharp and A, B again, and E and G, and B. So we play like that. And then the chord C and A, then B and G, A and F, and we have the note E. And now many notes played very fast. Let me show you. So in fact here you keep the notes, which is E, and we play E, G, E. Then D is kept and we play E, G, E. Then C is played and kept and we play E, G, E. And D is kept and we play E, G, E. Okay, let me play the right hand for this last line. The left hand is easy. We had C, B, A, then E, F, G, then the C repeated twice, B, A, and okay, that's it for this moment. Let's play it together. Repeated only an octave down. So before we played here, and now we start not here but E, which is here, and we play the same as before, and also we continue an octave down. Here it was the same, only an octave down, and we continue fast. Then we play D, F, G, D, also twice. Once again, but an octave up. G, C, D, G, twice. And these notes, D, F, G, D, we repeat it twice. Then we play the notes a bit different, which is G, B, D, G twice, and the same but an octave up. Okay, very high. And we will continue with the melody number 1. So, only let me add the left hand for this part. Very, very slowly, starting here from C, B. So this part you know, with both hands already. Here we have the left hand, which I need to explain you. So we have A with the 5th, then E with the 2nd, A with the 1st, E, then we have B, E, F, and G repeated many times, 12 times with the 3rd finger. So that will be easy. So let's continue here with both hands. Play the melody number 1, which you know already, but an octave up. That's the only difference. Now let me show you. This is the part that you do not know. We have G, E flat, B flat, G, F, C, A, F, the chord A and D, B and G, and we'll get to the melody number 2. Only the left hand for this part is an octave with E flat, an octave on F, and octave on G. So we have show you. We have C with the left hand and the chord G and E with the right hand. Then we have G, C, E. Then we have F, F, A, C, C, G, G, D, and the G, and again the melody number 2. Only let me add the left hand for this part. We have C with the left hand, then we have an octave on F and an octave on G. With both hands, that's like that. And we continue with the melody number 2 that you know. It's a bit different than the melody number 2 because we continue with the right hand, that's the same, so we play like before, but the left hand is G, G here, and G, B, D, G, then we have C, G, E, G, F, and G, and we repeat it twice. And the chord like that to finish. But let me play this melody number 2, which is at the end, and the end with both hands. Let me play very slowly from the beginning. So melody number 1. Only an octave up. The melody number 2 also 1 octave higher than before. The ending, so we can get slower and more quiet. So that's the composition Ballade for Adeline. I hope you liked it a lot. Thank you very much.